Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy guide on how to add discount coupon code to Stan Store. So for you to be able to add a discount coupon code, here's a simple guide for that. So you have to go to your Stan Store and log in into your account. So the next thing to do is to go to your product or offer page. So from your dashboard, click the product or offer to view the items you are selling. Then from there you have to look for the discount or coupon code option in your menu and click it. After that, click add discount or create coupon, then enter your coupon code name like save 10. Just use any random name, then save it, whether it's a percentage. So if it is 10% or fixed amount, for example $10 off or $5 off, then choose which product or bundle the discount applies to. You can also apply it to all or just a few products. Then after that, add expiration date if you want the coupon to be valid for a limited time, and after that click save, and your discount code is now ready to share with customer. And that's how you can easily add discount coupon code to Stan Store. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.